How to register on Ghana Memorial Products. So first, you log on to our website at ghanamemorialproducts.com. Then at the top right hand side of your screen, you click on the login button. Then you, as a new user, you click on register. Then you enter your first name, your last name, then key in your email address and phone number. Next, you enter your password. And then you confirm your password. Then after, you click on the I accept terms and conditions button. And then finally, you click on register. So after you click on register, you get this notification. So you check your email inbox. So after you click on the send verification email, you get a feedback that a new verification link has been sent to your email address. So you head into your email address and then you click on verify email. So after you click on verify email, you can now start creating a memorial. So you click on the create memorial and then voila, you now have access to create a memorial. Thank you for watching.